Hope you all are safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn mathematics. In mathematics, we are going to learn, see, last two classes we learned exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, playing with the numbers. Exercise 5.3 is given in page number 78. Okay children, we will see the sums. See, first one, A sum you no need to do. I will do the B sum only. Okay, from the B one I will see. What we are going to learn is find the factors. Find the factors using multiplication. Find the factors using multiplication. Okay. Find the factors using multiplication. Few sums we will see today. See, first one is 15. 15. Find the factors means what children? Factors means what are the tables this 15 goes, you have to find out first. So what you can see, first of all, one table it goes, isn't it? So first you have to write factors of 15. Factors of 15. So in what table number 15 goes? 115 is 15. 115 is 15. So what we can find out, in one table also it goes, in 15 table also it goes. Understood children? 15 ones are 15. 115s are 15. Understood children? In two tables it doesn't go. In two tables 15 doesn't go. And in three tables it goes. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Here also what we can know, in 3 tables also it goes, in 5 table also it goes. Isn't it children? So in 4 tables it doesn't go, 6 table it doesn't go. So what's the answer children? The factors of of 15 are 1. See what you have to do. See, from ascending order you have to write 1, 3, 5, 15. Understood children? If you write 1, 15, 3, 5 means it doesn't look nice. So from by ascending order 1, 3, 5 and 15. And you have to keep the full stop. Understood children? Until you are thorough in the multiplication tables, you can't do these sums. Understood? Okay, we will see the second sum children. Can you do the second sum? See, in notebook you should not write in this side. You have to write one below another. Okay children? Here the board is big, so I am teaching here. Second one, 35 you can take. So what we have to see where what are the tables, in which tables 35 goes, you have to see. Factors of 35. Factors of 35. Can you, if you know, you can say it in mind itself. See, first of all, in one table it goes, yes, 135 is 35. So what will happen in 35 table also it goes, isn't it? 35 ones are 35, 135 is 35. Understood? And then in two tables it goes, you have to find out. And then what in two table it doesn't go, in three table also it doesn't go, in 4 table also it doesn't go, but in 5 table it goes, isn't it? 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Then in 8 table, 9 table it doesn't go, isn't it? So what's the factor children? What's the answer will come? The factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Understood children? What are the factors of 35? 1, 5, 7, 35. Understood children? One more sum I will do it for you, and then you can, I will give one sum for homework. One sum I will teach and the fourth sum will be homework. Okay? Yes, the third sum. The third sum is 36. Yes. In 36, what, in which table and all 36 goes? Factors of 36. So, first of all, in one table all the number goes, isn't it children? 136 is 36. When you write 36, one is 36 only. So in both the tables it goes. And then in two tables does it goes? Two tables it does it goes? No, three tables it goes. 3 12s are 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. So in 3 table also it goes, in 12 table also it goes. Okay children? And then what will come? 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Understood children? So in what are the tables it goes? 1 table, 3 table, 4th table, 9th table, 12th table and 36th table. So in 6 tables it goes. So what's the answer children? The factors of 36 are 1, 3, 4, 9, 12 and 36. Understood children? So 3 sums I have taught. Until you are thorough in tables you can't do this sum. So whenever you have time, what you have to do, you have to learn the tables. Whenever you learn the tables, if you are thorough in tables means it is very easy for you to do this all sums. So 3 sums I have taught and the 4th sum I will give you as a homework. You have to continually do it in the maths classwork. See those who have come to the first notebook, if it is over means you can take the second notebook. So no need to worry, only one notebook for maths, so don't think like that. You can take the another notebook and you can continually write, because for ICC whole term portion only. So no need to worry, you can take the other notebook and write. So 4th sum I am giving as homework. 4th sum I am giving as homework. So many of them are not doing. I don't know why. No, nowadays before and all will be sending. Nowadays the numbers are decreasing. It's not increasing. Don't do that. You do the sums and send it to us. Okay children? And the 4th sum is very easy. I have given 16. So you have to find out in what tables and all 16 goes. You have to find out and you have to write the factors of 16. Understood children? Okay. Now we will go to the C sum. We will go to the C sum. C heading. See what's the heading means? See now what you have to find out. Find the factors using division. First we learned find the factors using multiplication. Now you have to find the factors using division. Children, it's little hard only, but no other way. You have to practice at home. That's the only solution for you. You have to do the sum always. You have to do it again and again so that it will be very easy for you. Find the factors using division. So first sum, see, I will do 18. What you have to do, we have to divide this 18 in one table, two table, like that. We have to go on dividing. See, if 18, you have to, this is divided and the divisor will be 1. In one table it goes or not, we have to find out. So what will come? 118 is 18. The remainder is 0 means it's the factor. Understood? Factor of 18. If the remainder comes 1, 2 means you should not write that table. Okay children? The second one, see 18 I am writing, and in the second table. See this is first table and this is second table. See if you say 2 tables, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Understood? So it goes in 2 tables also. It goes in 2 table also. Then shall we see the third table? See we put 18 and we write 3. Say the 3 tables children. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So in this table also 18 goes. Isn't it children? And then we will see the in fourth table. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, it's coming. See, 4 4s are 16 only, 18 will not come. So here what the remainder? 2 is coming, here it has 0. So it's the factor of 18. 1, 2, 3, it's the factor of 18. But you can't write the fourth table because what's the remainder is 2. The remainder is 2. So you can't write. So you have what you have to do in a pencil. What you can do, you can strike it out like this so that it will be easy. Otherwise you will confuse and you will write this number also. Okay, children. So in 5 table it doesn't go. So what's the answer, children? See, here also you can write 1 table also it goes, 18 table also it goes, 2 table also it goes, 9 table also it goes, 3 table also it goes, 6 table. So don't think only Mr. has written only 3. See, you have to see the above also. This quotient also you have to see. Okay, children. So what's the answer will come? The factors of 18 are what you have to write? 1, 2, 3. In ascending order I told, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, and then what you have to write? 6, 9, 18. 6, 9 and 18. Understood, children? You should not write this one. You can strike it out with a pencil. You should not, because the remainder is 2, you should not write this number. Okay, children? Are you thorough? Okay. Shall I teach another sum? Okay, the second sum I will do 39. 39. So again you have to do the like that only. See, you have to write 39 inside, divided inside and 1. See, 39 ones are 39. So 39 minus 39, 0. So in one table also it goes, 39 table also goes. So in the second table, as it goes in second table, first you take the one digit. 1, 2 is 2. Remainder 1. So you have to bring down this 9. So 19 goes in 2 tables? No. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So what's the remainder? 1. So children, does it 2 tables goes is a factor of 39? No. So what you can do? You can strike it out with a pencil. Don't use pen. You can strike it out with a pencil. And then you can put 39 in the 3 tables. You can write the 3 tables. See. 1, 3 is 3. So then you have to break down this 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So it is what? It is the factor of 39. It goes. Then we can put 4 tables, children. 39, 4 tables. You say the 4 tables, children. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, isn't it? 4 9s are 36. So what's the remainder will come? 3. So does it go is the factor of 39, children? 4 table is a factor? No. So what you have to do? You have to strike it out like this. Understood? And then you have to write the 5 table. 5 table. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Here, what's the remainder? 4. So it is also not the factor of 39. So only another one number tables you can write 39 in the 6th table. So what will come, children? Does it goes? No, 6 6 are 36. So what's the remainder throw? So this also doesn't go. So hereafter it doesn't go. So what are the table it goes, children? 1, 1, 3, 13 and 39. In only 4 tables it goes, isn't it? So what's the answer, children? The factors of 39 are, what are the tables, children? 1, 1, 3, 13 and 39. Understood, children? You can strike it out with the pencil. Okay, only one more sum, then I will give another sum for homework. Okay, children? Okay, only one more sum I will teach. 42. If you are thorough in tables, means very easy, children. You can find out easily. No need to put like this also. It will be very easy. See again, 42. One table. 42 ones are 42. So it goes in one table and 42 tables, isn't it? Then we can put two tables. Yes, it goes 2 twos are 4. Then you have to bring down this 2. Again, 1 2 is 2. If you are thorough in, you see, if you know 21 twos are 42 means you can directly write, because some of them will not understand. So only I am writing like this. Okay, children? Okay, in 3 tables does it goes, we will find out. 42, 3. 1 3 is 3. Remainder 1. You have to bring down this 2. So it becomes 12. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12, 0. So what in 3 table also it goes, in 14th table also it goes. And then can we find the 4 tables, children? In 4 tables, 42, 4 tables. It doesn't go, isn't it? 1 4 is 4, remainder, no, it won't go. 1 4 is, see, you can't put 10 4s are, what will come, it won't go, isn't it? So it's, the answer will be wrong. See, 10 4s are 40, we can write 10 4s are 40, and the remainder will be 2. So it doesn't go. So in 5 tables, if you see, there also it doesn't go. 5 8 5s are 40. Here also the remainder is 2. Isn't it, children? So what you can do, you can strike it out with a pencil. But in 6 tables it goes, isn't it, children? Yes, 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So in 6 table also it goes, in 7 table also it goes. Understood, children? So what you can write? The answer. The factors of 42 are, what are the tables, children? 1 2 3 14 21 42. Understood, children? Okay. 1 2 3, and then what you can write? See, here I forgot this one. 6, then 7, 14. See, here 42 goes in many tables, isn't it? 21 and 42. See, the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Okay, children, have you all understood? Okay, shall I give one homework sum, children? Only 2 sums I have given for homework. You have to do, all of them should have completed. Okay. Okay, children, the 4th sum is homework. Fourth sum. Homework I give 25. It's very easy. It's very easy, children. 25 is easy. What are the tables 25 goes? You can find out easily. Will you do that, children? Okay, children. Only 2 sum. In first division 1 sum I gave, and in the second one I gave 1. I think all will be doing this sum, and you have to send it in Google Classroom or personal WhatsApp. Okay, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye.